Good morning, students. This is Latif, sir. Today, I'll discuss about some covalent molecules and their structure. That is how the covalent bonds are formed between two combining atoms in a molecule. You know, covalent bonds are formed by sharing of electron. Here, some example of some covalent compounds are given. You have to practice the orbital structure of covalent bond formation and electron dot structure of covalent bond formation. These are important, especially orbital structure. You have to practice and electron dot structure. Okay, which are given in the box. Descriptions are not important. You have to show the structure only. Orbital structure or electron dot structure or Lewis structure. So first covalent molecule is hydrogen molecule. You know, hydrogen atom has one electron in its only cell. So hydrogen atom needs one more electron to attain duplet. That's why two hydrogen atoms share one electron. huh, Two hydrogen atom each share one electron to form a pair of electron, and this resulting pair of electrons is mutually shared by both of the atoms to form a hydrogen molecule. So in that box you can see formation of hydrogen molecule given. You have to practice this orbital structure, that is before combination. It is showing that before combination hydrogen atoms coming close to each other, and it is also shown in electron dot structure that each hydrogen atom has one electron which is denoted, which is represented by giving one dot around hydrogen atom. You have to practice both the structure, electron dot structure and orbital structure. First one are orbital structure and second electron dot structure. So after combination you can see that both the hydrogen atoms share one electron. Both the hydrogen atoms share one electron each, forming one pair of electron, and this electron pair will then uh, share between shared by both the hydrogen atom. First they form one pair of electrons between two hydrogen atom, then the electron pair will shared mutually shared by the both of hydrogen atoms, forming hydrogen molecule. It is also given in electron dot structure. You can see in hydrogen molecule, both hydrogen atom sharing one electron to form one pair of electron, and that's why in hydrogen molecule both the hydrogen atoms are joined by a single covalent bond, that is H, single bond H. Okay. Second example is chlorine molecule, Cl2 molecule. You know, chlorine atomic number is 70, so electronic configuration is 287. So 7 electron in its outermost shell. So chlorine needs one more electrons to become octet, that is stable, to attain stable electronic configuration of the nearest noble gas. The nearest noble gas of chlorine atom is argon. So to attain nearest electronic configuration of nearest noble gas, each chlorine atom needs one more of electron pair, one more electron. Thus, when two chlorine atoms come closer, each contributes one electron and form one shared pair of electron between them. and then both the atoms of chlorine thus attain an octet. So in chlorine molecule, the octet is attained by mutual sharing of one electrons by each chlorine atom. You can see here formation of chlorine molecule. Both before combination, both chlorine atom coming closer. It is also shown in electron dot structure. You have to in electron dot structure you have to show just the valence electrons by giving dots. As chlorine has 7 electron in the valence shell, so 7 dot given around each chlorine atom. You have to show the valence electron only, not the inner electron. You know that chlorine has electronic configuration 287, so you have to represent the 7 valence electron giving dot. So each chlorine atom has 7 electron in its valence shell. After combination, both chlorine atoms shares 1 electron to form one pair of electron, and this one pair of electron then will share by mutually share by both the chlorine atom, forming one single covalent bond between the both chlorine atom in chlorine molecule. So in chlorine molecule, you can see one single covalent bond is present between both the chlorine atom, and it is represented by Cl single bond Cl. Next, nitrogen molecule. You know nitrogen has total 5 electron in the valence shell. So to attain the stable electronic configuration of nearest noble gas, the nearest noble gas of nitrogen is neon. Atomic number is 10. While nitrogen has atomic number 7. So electronic configuration of nitrogen is 2, 5. So to attain the stable electronic configuration of nearest noble gas, that is neon, the electronic configuration of neon, nitrogen needs 3 electrons. Thus, when two nitrogen atoms come closer, each contributes 3 electrons, so they have 3 shared pair of electrons. In nitrogen molecule, both the nitrogen atoms share 3 electrons to form 3 shared pair of electrons, and then both atoms attain an octet, resulting in the formation of triple covalent bond, that is N triple bond N, between both the nitrogen. So you can see orbital structure of covalent bond formation between two nitrogen atom in nitrogen molecule. Given nitrogen has total 5 electron in valence shell, so in the outermost shell it is showing the total 5 electron in the valence shell. And here you have told that each nitrogen has shared 3 electrons, so total 3 pair of electrons will form. That's why in nitrogen molecule, in nitrogen molecule there is a triple covalent bond is present between the two nitrogen atoms. You can so this triple covalent bond, you can represent the triple covalent bond present in a nitrogen molecule between the two nitrogen atoms by electron dot structure also. So after combination, you can see here both nitrogen atoms sharing 3 electrons to form 3 pairs of electrons, that is in nitrogen molecules a triple covalent bond is present. Next, hydrogen chloride molecule, which is polar covalent compound. In hydrogen chloride molecule, You know hydrogen has one electron in its only cell, and chlorine has 7 electron in the outermost cell. And hydrogen both hydrogen and chlorine needs one more electron to become octet, that is to attain stable electronic configuration of nearest noble gas. Hydrogen needs one electron and chlorine needs one electron. In hydrogen chloride molecule, hydrogen and chlorine atom shares an electron pair. Both the atoms, that is hydrogen and chlorine atoms, share one electron pair. Hmm. Share an electron to form an electron pair. In HCl molecule, both hydrogen and chlorine atoms share one electron to form a electron pair, to form an electron pair. Huh. Such that hydrogen acquires a doublet configuration and chlorine an octet, resulting in the formation of single covalent bond. An orbital structure of HCl, hydrogen chloride molecule, given here. The in orbital structure of HCl, the electrons of hydrogen is showing by giving cross, and electrons of chlorine atom are showing by giving dot. Okay, and in the electron dot structure you can see hydrogen around hydrogen one cross is given, which means one valence electron or one electron in the only cell of hydrogen atom, and 7 dot around chlorine atom, that means 7 electrons in the valence cell of chlorine atom. And after combination, both the atoms, that is hydrogen atom and chlorine atoms, form one pair of electron. Therefore, one single covalent bond is present between hydrogen atom and chlorine atom in hydrogen chloride molecule. And next molecule is water molecule. Water, H2O. Hydrogen in H2O, two hydrogen atom and one oxygen atom are combined to form water molecule. You know oxygen has 6 valence electron and hydrogen has 1 electron in the outermost shell. So oxygen needs 2 more electron to become octet, that is to attain nearest noble gas electronic configuration of the nearest noble gas. Hydrogen needs 1 electron and oxygen needs 2 electrons. In this case, the water molecule, in this case, in the case of water molecule, each of the two hydrogen atoms share an electron pair with the oxygen atom, such that hydrogen acquires a doublet configuration and oxygen an octet, resulting in the formation of two single covalent bond. Here orbital structure given. You know oxygen has total 6 in the electron in the valence shell, so it is showing by giving dot around the around the nucleus of oxygen atom. In the valence shell of oxygen atom there are total 6 electron, and each chlorine atom has 1 electron in its only cell, and here the electron of hydrogen is showing by giving cross, and electron of oxygen is showing by giving dot. An electron dot structure of water also given: hydrogen cross plus oxygen around oxygen 6 dot plus hydrogen around hydrogen 1 cross, means 1 electron around hydrogen atom in the only cell of hydrogen atom and 6 electron in the valence shell of oxygen atom. And after combination, you can see you have to draw the orbital diagram like this. Okay, for all the covalent compound. So water contains two single covalent bond. Next, ammonia molecule formation. Ammonia means NH3. You know hydrogen needs one electron to become a doublet, and nitrogen having electronic configuration 2 comma 5, that is nitrogen require or nitrogen needs 3 more electrons to become octet, that is nearest to attain nearest noble gas electronic configuration. Nitrogen needs 3 electron and hydrogen needs 1 electron. Then when a molecule of ammonia is to be formed, one atom of nitrogen shares 3 electrons. One atom of nitrogen shares 3 electron pair, one with each of the 3 hydrogen. So here you can see orbital diagram or orbital structure of ammonia molecule and electron dot structure of an ammonia molecule given. And here you can see the 3 single covalent bond present in ammonia molecule. Here also the electrons of hydrogen is showing by giving cross, and electrons of nitrogen is showing by giving dot. And as nitrogen has 5 valence electrons, so you have to give 5 dots around nitrogen atom. And when nitrogen and 3 hydrogen comes in contact or come closer, then 3 single bond covalent bond is will form between the nitrogen atom and 3 hydrogen atom. Next, carbon tetrachloride CCl4, which is non-polar covalent compound. CCl4, carbon has 4 electron in the valence shell, to atomic number is 6, so 2 comma 4 is the electronic configuration of carbon, and chlorine has 7 electron in the outermost shell or valence shell. So both the elements, that is carbon and chlorine, needs carbon needs 4 more electrons to become octet, and chlorine need 1 electron to become octet. So to attain the stable electronic configuration of the nearest noble gas, carbon needs 4 electron and chlorine needs 1 electron. When a molecule of carbon tetrachloride is to be formed, one atom of carbon share 4 electron pairs, one with each of the 4 atoms of chlorine. Okay, and here in this box it is showing that before combination between carbon and chlorine atom, how the electrons are sharing between the atoms, and you can show the covalent bond present in carbon tetrachloride by the help of electron dot structure. In CCl4 carbon tetrachloride, electrons of carbon and chlorine both all the electrons are representing here by giving dot. You can also give cross for cross for electrons of hydrogen and dot for chlorine. Okay, so carbon tetrachloride contains 3 single covalent bond, 4 single covalent bond in carbon tetrachloride CCl4. And then methane CH4, which contains in methane in formula of methane is CH4. One carbon is attached with 4 hydrogen atom, and carbon has electronic configuration 2 comma 4, that is electron number of electrons in carbon, that 6, and electronic configuration of carbon is 2 comma 4, and hydrogen has 1 electron in its only cell. So to attain stable electronic configuration of nearest noble gas, carbon needs 4 electrons and hydrogen needs 1 electron. When a molecule of methane is to be formed, one atom of carbon share 4 electrons pair, one with each of the 4 atoms of hydrogen. So orbital structure of methane given here. Especially you have to remember the orbital structure after combination. After combination, it is the most important structure. In all cases, mainly you have to draw the orbital structure after combination, and you have to show the number of electrons pair. In methane, number of electrons around hydrogen atom is 1, you know that, and the electrons of hydrogen is showing by giving cross, and electrons of carbon is showing by giving dot. And in methane molecule, you can see here there are total 4 single covalent bond formed between 1 carbon and 4 hydrogen atoms, and electron dot structure also given. Okay, so this structure, all the structure are very important structure, especially orbital structure after combination and electron dot structure. Okay, you have to practice.